Hello everyone and welcome to Bora Bora. In today's video we are going on an excursion where we are going to snorkel with sharks and rays. We booked this excursion right at our hotel's front desk and it was about $110 per person. Our first stop was to swim with the sharks and rays. For our second stop, we were supposed to swim with manta rays, but after I get into the area where they usually are, we couldn't find any, so we had to move on to our last and final stop, which is here where we swam along the reef.